Man. It has been a minute. This is actually my first video for 2019. I kind of took a little bit of a break. I've been sick, I've been busy, I've been trying to catch on work, and just a lot of stuff's been going on. Also, I've been kind of dealing with, well, this stuff right here. Boom. Today I thought of a really crazy, probably really dumb, and just an out there idea. So I figured, hey, if we can't go ice fishing yet, but we can't go normal fishing because we can't access the water yet, what if I just did this? I'm gonna try kayaking. Yeah. This is how you guys know you have just stuff unorganized. What in the heck? Look at this. From my last MTV Slam. I am such an idiot. So we're gonna grab the kayak and we're gonna go try and ice fish via kayak because, I don't know, I don't feel like drowning and freezing trying to go ice fishing. And I don't know, this might not work at all. This could be worse than actually trying to walk on the ice. I don't know, all I know is the pond I'm going to is 10 foot deep. And if I fall through the ice, I'm probably not gonna survive. Also, because of that, I'm bringing a friend with me because I don't trust myself. Where'd he go? Are you in the car? My ice fishing boy. Yeah, yeet. How you doing? So we're gonna be doing that today. I'm throwing the kayak in the back and maybe we'll catch some fish, maybe we won't. I really don't know. People driving by are gonna be like, what in the heck is this guy doing? Should I bring like any kind of safety, anything? You'll come get me if I fall in, right? Yeah, we're gonna go down and we're gonna check the pond. We're here. This is where I like to ice fish when there's actually enough, you know, ice to ice fish. Woo! Oh no, oh dude, that's pretty frozen. I hear it cracking though. You know what? I bet you I could probably just bring that over. You know what I mean? Like, should I ride down it?
No.
No?
No. Yeah, do it. Why not? Jordan, this is not a good idea, bro. Alright.
So I'm in the kayak. We got the GoPro mounted on the front. I got a couple tow straps tied together. So obviously, since I'm on ice, there's gonna be no friction or water for me to paddle in. So my thought here is I'm gonna just have Andre just shoot me out there, and if something goes wrong, he just pull me back in with the rope. I suppose so long as I hold onto the kayak, I should be okay. And yeah, I don't know, that's about all I got going for myself. Oh God. All right, give me a boost.
Ready?
I guess. Oh. This is how we're getting around here. How long does that rope go? Pull it out. Good throw. Well guys, you want to know what we do in Ohio? Well, I'm going to tell you how deep it is right now in a second. The ice is a little bit thicker than I thought, but it's still not like good. This auger is not sharp at all. So I'm going to try and drill a hole. Oh, there we go, we're through.
Is it deep?
About an inch. No, I know, I'm going to leave that right here. I'll tell you right now, Dre, it's way thinner out here than it is over there. Ooh, it's a bit chilly. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have you pull me in all the way, and then we're gonna try and go over there by short and just slide down. Got the auger. All right, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Woo! We're about to make a new sport. Don't lose that rope. 3. I hit this down and the whole thing cracked all the way under me. Dude, this is thin over here. Dude, this I could break with my hands. It's this thick. Alrighty. Move to a different spot. See if I can just peg one. I don't have like a flasher or anything, which probably doesn't help, but like, this is about as sketchy as it gets. Oh, I'm on. Guys, it's big. Oh my God. No way. Look at that. Hey, come here. Guys, we got an LMP, first LMP in 2019. Oh, baby. Look at that. Oh, no way. No way, guys. Look at that. No way. I'm in a kayak. I'm literally in a kayak. I got my jig. I was bouncing it. That is awesome. I really was not expecting that at all. Like, I was like, oh, if we can figure out how. Look at that. That's awesome. I'm just showing Dre right in the top of the mouth. Oh, boom. First little Ohio LMB on not even an inch of ice. Back down in there, bud. Oh, 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 oh. Boom, bang. Boom. Look at this, guys. You can see my fingers through it. Like, it's like literally that much ice. Hey, Dre, would you mind grabbing my phone? All right, here's what we're gonna do. Put it flat on. Oh God. Oh no! Dre! Why would you throw it that hard, bro? I mean, dude, it's ice. You know how fast stuff slides? Well, guys, this is gonna be interesting. Here goes this. I gotta go get my phone. Oh, this is so dumb. Oh. Oh, you're lucky I love you. Yeah, you're lucky it didn't go in the hole. We're not playing hockey, Dre. We're I just posted on my social media. We're going. Oh. Oh, shoot. I got bit. Hold on. Got him. Oh, look at that. A little bluegill. What are the odds of that? See you later, buddy. Thanks. Hope you find your dad. All right, we're gonna drop it down one more time. The sun's actually going down. We got like 20 minutes before it's completely dark. But let's just see if we get another bite. Watch the ice just like break under me. Skirt. See, the key to ice fishing when the ice isn't thick enough? Surface area. What do I look like? Don't say it. My hands are so numb. There you guys have it. Hey, if you ever just get really antsy and no, don't do this actually. I don't recommend doing this. I had no supervision. I had a friend though with me. This is kind of a stupid idea I tried that ended up working. I got my first day of ice fishing in for 2019. I caught my first largemouth and my first bluegill, which is sick. I didn't even think that was gonna happen. This was just an idea that sparked in my head this morning, and I was like, I thought it was gonna go way worse. I wouldn't say it was a smart idea. A lot of things could have went wrong, but if you're gonna go on ice, guys, and you're gonna be dumb like me, use surface area techniques or something that floats, because if you fall in the water when it's like 20 degrees out or less, you're gonna be in trouble, a lot of trouble. So I don't recommend doing it. Otherwise, take proper precautions to checking the ice when you're gonna go ice fishing. But hey, I hope you guys liked this video. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, drop that like if you thought this was funny or I should do it again or anything like that. Or if you just thought it was stupid, I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not familiar, we are doing a 5K giveaway. So by smashing that subscribe button and going over to Instagram and following me at TightlineTV, you get entered into possibly winning some brand new fishing gear. Thank you guys so much. It's good to be back. We're gonna keep the videos flowing. I know it was a little break we had going there, but I'm not going anywhere, I swear. So you guys know the deal. We'll catch you in the next one.